Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to import waypoints or track files, which are .gpx files on most GPSs, such as a Garmin GPS, directly into your SARTopo map. So you want to make sure that you are either in the map that you want to import them into or on a blank map to start fresh with. All you do is take your mouse up to the import button, and you'll notice that there's a couple different options. Really, you have two options, though. You have Connect via GPS.io, which is a third-party external plugin that you have to install, or you can do a Windows Explorer-based version through this option. This one, however, if you do take the time to install it, is much faster. All you do is make sure that your Garmin GPS is plugged in already, and it is recognized by your computer. That's actually the slowest part, is plugging it in and getting it recognized. Then click this button, hit OK, and then you choose what things you want to have imported or not. So for this, I'm going to import demo, and how about a couple of waypoints here? I'll do all of the waypoints and hit import. You now see we have the 4 different waypoints and this little track down here. One thing that I didn't really show you guys, and I'll just go back to it really quick, is it shows on here if this thing is on your current map or how far away it is. So maybe you have an old track that's, from a different search that's 200 miles away. This will turn up yellow or red depending how far away it is and show that it's not on the map. This also over here will show you area if it's a polygon, because this yard shape is a polygon. These two are tracks. This is a track and a track. And so you can see a lot of information right in this little screen by itself. And if I were to go up here and do the other version, we would choose File. You would go into your Garmin directory over here. You want to navigate to that if it's not already there. Go into the GPX folder, and for this one it would be track_demo, or your waypoints, which in this instance it's saved all 4 underneath one of them. So I'm going to show you guys that one. It would pop up with all 4 different options. I'm going to cancel since I've already done that.